Hey, how y'all doing? I got me 3 pocket knives here. I just finished up, so I thought I'd do a video showing them off, and I might do a little separate video for each one of them. That way I can kind of keep the videos a little shorter. Don't get too awful lengthy with me rambling on. Anyways, the first one here I thought I'd show is a trapper, and I thought I'd show this one first because it's been a while since I've made a trapper. The handle material is red burlap micarta. I used nickel silver pins and a bird's eye style pivot with stainless bushing and brass hinge pin there. It is 3 3/4 inches closed, or the handle length, and when it's open it is 6 5/8 inches long. And this one, well, I have to have it open. And half stop here. This is my 51st one. Has a nice walk and talk. I would call it a medium pull. It's not a super heavy medium. This is, in my opinion, a nice medium pull. Probably about dead center on medium. It's not, but it still has a nice snap. Came out decently centered. If I can get it, there we go. Oh, and the liner material is stainless. About forgot that. The one thing that bugs me on this one, of course, as you know, I punch in my nail nicks. I do that before I heat treat. I heat it up to a dull red and I punch them in. And this one, and I didn't notice at the time, if you notice, I got the one in there nice and crisp, and on this end, I somehow managed to, well, get it focused. I didn't get my chisel set quite right on this end here because it's a little more blunt looking, which I did 5 all at the same time, and this is the only one that I didn't get it how I normally do. Still works just fine, but that's kind of a cosmetic thing. I take several heats when I punch it in, and the last heat I'm kind of going through and doing gentle taps to get everything to look nice and crisp, and I somehow I managed to not get this end of it on that last heat for whatever reason. But other than that, like I said, that bugs me because that's one of those things, once I see it, I can't unsee it. Other than that, this is turned out to be a pretty nice knife, I believe. Just a basic shadow pattern with no shield or nothing like that. But this would be a great everyday carry knife, I believe. Anyways, there's a look at this trapper. If you enjoying what you're seeing so far, subscribe and maybe give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.